Hello and welcome back to SharesCart Market Bulletin, your go-to updates for the latest happening in India's financial market and investment space. Today we are bringing you a quick roundup of key developments from the past few days. So let's get started. Starting with the strong AMC growth story, PPFAS Asset Management reported a strong Q3 FY26. Revenue up 66% to 169 crore, net profit up 65% to 98.6 crore. With PAT margin at 58%, the growth comes from recurring AUM-linked fees, SIP inflows, and a sticky investor base. Dividend for FY26 is rupees 15 per share, up 74% from the last year, reflecting strong cash flows confidence. Building on India's growth technology-driven market trends, the National Stock Exchange of India will move to nanosecond trading latency from April 11. Making trading almost 1,000 times faster. The upgrade allows up to 100 million transactions per second, improves order execution, price discovery, and strengthens India's global trading competitiveness. Continuing VIDA's international expansion story, VIDA Clinic Research appointed Binoy Hasmukh as managing director for the 3-year term. He was previously an additional director and now assumes full leadership responsibilities. Additionally, the board approved a 171.67 crore non-cash share swap with its Ireland subsidiary, issuing 40.8 lakh shares at 420.67 per share. The move strengthened company's global consolidation strategy while maintaining compliance with regulatory approvals. Following its recent series D fundraising, IPO-bound Infra Market is raising 1,250 crore in debt from Singapore-based Azotus Credit. The funds will be used for debt refinancing, capex, and strategic acquisitions. Founded in 2016, Infra Market operates a B2B and retail market space for construction materials with in-house manufacturing of RMC tiles and paints. The company is preparing for a 5,000 crore IPO split between 50% fresh issue and 50% offer for sale, positioning it as a major player in India's construction tech sector. Next, in line with growing digital health trend, PharmEasy has partnered with Samsung Health to launch the new Find Care feature. Users can now order medicine, book lab tests, and consult doctors directly within the Samsung Health app, eliminating the need to switch platforms. Samsung Health users will also enjoy 6 months of complimentary PharmEasy Plus membership, including extra savings, credit, and free delivery. Finally, bringing on Prism IPO preparation, Oyo's parent company has appointed former SEBI chairman Ajay Tyagi as an independent director. Tyagi brings decades of experience in regulation, investor protection, and financial governance, strengthening the company's oversight ahead of its planned 6,650 crore IPO, with an estimated valuation of $7 to $8 billion. If you found this update useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.